So here I am. This is called Seven Tubs. They little park, and that cuts through limestone, I believe, from way up there. There's a loop. That's what this here little thingy says. So yeah, this should be fun. I'm hoping. Yeah. Gotta get my steps in, you know. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. You know, up near Wilkes-Barre and Scranton area. Took me about an hour to get here. Well worth the trip so far. I saw a puppy. Yeah. Maybe I should have brought one of them there walking sticks. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know if the path goes that way. Or did the path go? Oh, try this way. Gonna put you away. Hold on. Okay. So far, what I've seen is a very beautiful trail. There's a waterfall over there. You can see it? I don't know if you can. Yeah. It's a nice hike. If you're not a fat ass like me. Yeah, ooh. It's very rocky, very steep, and whew, I'm gonna find some. I mean, it's really awesome here. Maybe once I, lose more weight and get in better shape, I will be able to do this better. Yeah, it's really nice up here, though. Yeah. Very nice. I highly recommend it. If you're not a fat ass like me. Anyway. Yeah. I'm gonna go that way. Found it. Found a much better. Look at this. The path is nice. There's over there. There's a little pond. There's also a pond over there with some people over under. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what. This is a really awesome little park. Yeah. Oh yeah. A lot of trails, a lot of cool nature stuff. Yeah. Again, highly recommend this place for anyone who wants to, hang out in the woods. waterfall. Hey, there's a little chipmunk. That was kind of fat, so I'm thinking Theodore. Yeah, Theodore. He was a fat one. Yeah. Look at that. Nice clear water. Decent depth. Probably do a cannonball in there. I'm not going to. No. I'm wearing pants. Yeah. This place is awesome. Oh yeah. Alright. I'll be back. So I'm somewhere completely different now. That looks like a nuclear power plant. Yeah. I'm gonna take some pictures. It'll be awesome.